Japan isn't disciplined because people are strict. It's disciplined because of tiny habits, repeated every day. No motivation speeches. No dramatic rules. Just small actions, done consistently. That quietly shape behavior, mindset, and society. Here are 8 tiny Japanese habits that make a massive difference. In Japan, there's no one else to clean up after you. Students clean classrooms. Employees clean offices. Cleaning isn't a chore. It's a reminder. If you use a space, you respect it. Responsibility begins with the floor beneath your feet. In Japan, being early isn't impressive. It's expected. Arriving exactly on time feels late. Why? Because punctuality is seen as respect for other people's time, not personal efficiency. Public spaces in Japan are quiet, by choice. No loud calls. No forced conversations. The habit is simple. Don't export your mood into shared space. Silence becomes a form of courtesy. Bowing isn't dramatic. It's subtle. Automatic. People bow. When thanking. When apologizing. When passing others. Even small bows reinforce humility, without words. Before acting, many Japanese people silently ask, "Will this inconvenience someone else?" This habit reduces conflict, noise, aggression. Society stays smooth because self-control comes before self-expression. In Japan, silence isn't awkward. Oversharing is. People pause. Think. Then speak, or don't. This habit protects relationships, harmony, emotional safety. Not every thought needs a voice. Lost wallets get returned. Items go back precisely where they were. Why? Because order isn't enforced by fear. It's maintained by mutual trust. Tiny acts of honesty create a predictable world. Many Japanese people end the day by quietly reflecting. What went wrong? What could be better tomorrow? Not to judge themselves, but to improve. Small reflection prevents big mistakes. Japan isn't orderly because people are perfect. It's orderly because small habits reduce friction. Courtesy replaces confrontation. Discipline is invisible. You don't need to change your life overnight. Just borrow one tiny habit. Because when repeated daily, small things quietly change everything.